All right, guys, let's put this thing together. First, you need a tripod. Your tripod will either come with a fitting screw on top of a 3/8 or a 1/4 inch. We have wing nuts that will fit both. They'll be in the accessory package. It's very important to start with the washer, the rubber washer. It's going to go on the bottom of the tripod before anything else. That helps keep this secure so it doesn't spin around. Then you're going to have another washer that goes on top. It's a stainless steel washer. All right, you're going to grab your tool. Once you get the tool on, you're going to get a rubber washer, get that on the bottom, and then you'll get the stainless steel washer on top. Depending on what fitting screw that you have in the middle, you'll either grab your 3/8 or 1/4 inch wing nut and get that screwed down in the center, and that will secure the tool. The next step in putting the tool together is we have a 6-inch tap bolt that goes through the end of the hole. You're going to want to keep your finger at the end of the hole, and this process you have to be patient with. We have a wing nut that goes on top, and you're going to spin this down. So next is the holder, the end cap. That goes right on top of the tap bolt. There's a washer that goes on top of that. And then you have another wing nut that goes on top of that. And you'll spin this down to the bottom. Once you get the wing nut secure on the bottom of the end cap, you have your holder. The last thing that you're going to do is stick the magnet on the end, and you have assembled the Hair Butler.